Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly exciting. 6 of the most innovative and powerful tech gadgets that are guaranteed to make your life smarter, faster, and way more convenient. From ultra-fast power banks to high-speed 3D printers, these gadgets combine design, performance, and practicality in ways that will blow your mind. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Baseus Power Bank. This powerhouse delivers a whopping 145 watts of total output, making it capable of charging a laptop, phone, or even a handheld console simultaneously. With a massive 2,800 mAh airline-approved capacity, it's perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. The digital display gives you real-time updates on battery level, charging speed, and even the remaining recharge time. Whether you're powering up a MacBook Pro to 55% in just 30 minutes or charging 4 devices at once, this compact and portable power bank ensures you're always connected. Plus, with a 65-watt fast input, it recharges fully in only 2 hours. Talk about speed and efficiency. Number 5. ORICO Power Strip. If you love efficiency and style, this multi-tap power strip is a dream. Designed with a sleek, Apple-inspired aesthetic, it offers 2 AC outlets, 2 USB ports, and 1 USB-C port for ultimate flexibility. Its ultra-soft PVC cable and flame-retardant ABS plus PC material ensure both safety and durability. You'll love how compact it is, perfect for home, office, or travel use. Intelligent recognition charging means every device gets the optimal power it needs without overloading. ORICO proves that even power strips can look elegant and feel premium. Number 4. Flashforge AD5X. This multicolor 3D printer is a dream come true for creators. With blazing fast 600 millimeters per second print speeds, you can bring your ideas to life in 4 vibrant colors at once. Its intelligent IFS system ensures seamless color switching, while the direct extruder supports flexible materials like TPU, PLACF, and PETG-CF. You'll never worry about failed prints thanks to features like auto-leveling, filament detection, and power loss recovery. And with vibration compensation and a 200-second heating time to 100 degrees Celsius, every print comes out smooth and precise. Whether you're a designer, hobbyist, or professional, the AD5X makes creativity effortless. Number 3. Movespeed GD10. Speed, security, and style. That's what this external SSD delivers. With a blazing 1050 megabytes per second transfer rate and a touchscreen interface, managing your files feels futuristic. Its 1.83-inch display lets you navigate settings, encrypt data, and manage passwords directly on the device. No mobile app required. The sturdy zinc alloy build is designed to survive travel and daily use. Compatible with iPhones, PS5, PCs, and more. The GD10 redefines portable storage with performance that keeps up with your lifestyle. Number 2. WOLFBOX MF100. This electric air duster packs an incredible 150,000 RPM brushless motor, delivering unstoppable cleaning power for your car, PC, or home. With 3 adjustable gears, you can tailor the airflow to any situation. Despite its power, it operates surprisingly quietly, keeping noise levels low. It's rechargeable, portable, and efficient, perfect for replacing disposable canned air. The MF100 makes cleaning fun, easy, and eco-friendly while saving you money in the long run. Number 1. Baseus Jump Starter. Meet the ultimate 4-in-1 car companion that can literally save the day. It's not just a jump starter, it's also a power bank and air pump with a stunning full-color digital display. The 1200A peak current can instantly start your car even in freezing conditions, thanks to PTC smart heating technology. The 150 psi air compressor lets you inflate tires quickly with auto-stop functionality to prevent overinflation. Everything fits neatly inside the integrated storage case for easy access on the road. Whether it's emergencies, travel, or daily use, this Baseus gadget is a total lifesaver on wheels. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.